Hey everybody, so today I'm here with a haul. I wanted to get in a few new spring pieces because I have some trips and events coming up and stuff like that, and also I just kind of wanted some fresh pieces in my wardrobe in general. So I did a little shopping and I wanted to share with you guys what I got. Now for this go round, I really didn't have anything concrete in mind. Like, I knew I wanted to get some stuff, but I didn't know exactly what I wanted to get. So usually when that's the case, I will go into like my favorite online retailers, see what they have, like their new arrivals, and then I will browse through that and see if something catches my eye, and I'll pick from that. So that's what I did this go round on ASOS, which is one of my favorite sites to shop on. And my order just came in this big package. So yeah, let's open it up and see what we got. Alright, so the first thing I have is this, I guess you can call it a jumpsuit. I got this striped jumpsuit. As soon as I saw this on the site, I was immediately drawn to it. I knew I had to get it, and I'm so happy that I have it. This will be absolutely perfect for what I have in mind for it. I just think it stands out so much. I mean, I'm a huge fan of stripes, so I love the stripes on it. Also love the details. It has a cutout in the middle, and it has these oversized bows right here. I just think that's so cute. And it has a really wide leg. It goes out at the bottom. Very structured, and I just loved how it looked on the model on the site, and I was like, I need that piece. I have to get it. Also got a pair of jeans. I am a jeans girl. I live in jeans. I love them so much. And these in particular, I got these right here. These, I like them because of is this the hem? I guess the top hem. It just looked really interesting and cool to me because it goes like up at the top. I don't know. It just really made me want to get them. So I got them, and I love how it's constructed with the pockets goes. The pocket line goes like this. This is actually a faux pocket. The only real pockets on these jeans are in the back. Uneven hem at the bottom. I like that because it gives that edginess to it, like especially if you pair it with like a simple pump and these jeans, it looks really edgy and cool, so I like that. I love the wash as well, like a nice medium light wash, and they're really stretchy, which I like because they will probably be super comfortable. Next, I got this. I forgot what it's labeled as on the site, but I want to say it's like, I think they had it as a maxi shirt dress. I don't know if you can actually wear this as a dress because it only buttons to the middle part of it. But I got this floral piece right here. I got this because I am planning on wearing this as like a kimono type of thing, like just throwing this over jeans and a t-shirt, or just anything. You can throw this over and add an extra layer. I'm all about layering. I love to layer, and this is a great piece to do that. For this, I just have so many different outfit combinations for this in my head already. I know so many different ways that I could pair this, so I knew I wanted to get this. I got this Grecian style maxi dress. It's a maxi dress, so it's long and flowy, and I love the style of it. The cutouts and everything looks really nice. I got this specifically for my trip that's coming up, and I actually think I'm gonna vlog during that trip, so I'm planning on vlogging. We'll see how it goes, but so I might do a video while I'm there, so I won't say exactly where I'm going just yet, but it's coming up very soon and I'm really excited about it. So I'm planning on wearing this on that trip. I think it'll be great for like a, you know, nice dinner on the beach type of thing. Simple, sexy type of vibe going, so I like that. Had to get it. I got a striped off the shoulder bodysuit. I am really into off the shoulder pieces lately, I'm noticing. And this, I love stripes. I love the blue and white stripes on this, kind of gives like a nautical feel to it. Just thought it would be a great basic to have to pair with a lot of different things. These type of tops, these off the shoulder bodysuit type of tops, I think these look really, really great with anything high-waisted jeans, high-waisted shorts, a high-waisted skirt, anything like that. I think it'll look great. So it's very versatile. You can pair it so many different ways. I got another jumpsuit. This one is a really crisp, clean white one, but I like this one because of the top. It's off the shoulder as well, another off the shoulder piece. But I like how it has like a flowy ruffle situation going across the top. I thought that was nice. And then it's just really like a basic pantsuit. It has tapered legs, so it goes in at the bottom. And I like jumpsuits because these are so easy. Like, all you have to do is put on a jumpsuit and some shoes and your whole outfit is done. So that's why I really like jumpsuits, because it takes the guesswork out of putting together an outfit. I got this sweater, this red, white, and blue sweater that says Miami. I really just got this because I thought it was a nice thing to have for days like you want to be casual, laid back, but you still want to look cool and like you put some effort into your look. I think sweaters like this are really dope for that. And I got this in a size UK 10 US 6, which is a couple sizes up from my usual, just because I wanted it to fit really oversized, really casual. So yeah, just for a nice everyday cool girl look, this will be great for that. So that's why I got it. I got this white top right here. I got it just because I liked the laciness. It has like a high neck. I like just the overall look of it, so I got it. Only thing is though, now just looking at it, what size is this? UK 10 US 6. My normal size is a US 2 or 4 depending on how I want it to fit in top. So I'm not sure why I got this in a US 6. I'm trying to think, was it like the only size that they had, or did I think it fit small? I'm not sure, but looking at it now, it kind of looks too big for me, and I didn't want it to fit oversized. So I'm gonna have to see how this looks when I put it on. Yeah, it just looks really big, just holding it up. But anyway, I also like the sleeves on this. It has like a bell sleeve. It kind of goes out at the bottom, which I thought was a really nice touch. And yeah, I kind of just envisioned wearing this with some skinny jeans, a simple heel, and just like a statement earring, and going for like a whimsical type of feel. So we shall see. I hope this works, but if it doesn't, if it's too big, I will probably be sending this back, but I'll see in a sec. Also got a couple of t-shirts because I really love just a basic tee for layering, pairing it under a jacket, pairing it under a sweater, any type of thing like that, or just wearing it on its own with some dope pants, dope bottoms, and whatever shoe. And I was like, I need to find some more tees, but it's so hard. I don't know if it's just me, but it's so hard to find a nice fitting tee like that feels nice, fits nice. And these, I saw them and I was like, they look like they'll work, so I'll try them out. And now that I have them, I'm actually really excited because so I got a white one and I also got a black one. It comes in a pack of 2, and just from feeling it, it feels really nice. I love the weight on it. I don't like tees that are super stiff and like that, I can't even explain it, that kind of like material that doesn't hang right. This feels like it'll hang exactly how I want it to, because usually I do like a half tuck thing with my t-shirts. So this feels like it'll fit really nicely, and I love a v-neck. I got, like I said, a white one and a black one. And then the last clothing item I got is this skirt, this denim really long maxi skirt. I have a few skirts, but I don't have that many, and so I really wanted to get another one. And this one, I liked it because it kind of looks like 2 skirts in one. It has like this middle piece right here, this shorter middle piece, and then it kind of goes out on the sides for The rest of the skirt, I just like that. Also, it has these exposed buttons and has some distressing on it. I just liked the overall look of it. And this, I think, will be a really good addition to my wardrobe because denim skirts, pants, shorts, denim, anything, you can wear them with everything. Also got 2 pairs of shoes. The first one is by Public Desire, and these I got them because they reminded me of Cruella de Vil, and you'll see why when I show you. So got these booties, and one side is black and the other side is white. I just thought that looks so nice. They are patent material, so they're pretty shiny. I love that it has a pointed toe, and they look like they'll be comfortable with the block heel. They look like they'll be comfortable, and the heel isn't too short. I don't like shoes where the heel is super short because that's kind of like, it turns me off. But the heel isn't super short, but it isn't super high, whereas though you'll be like teeter-tottering in them. So I am thinking these will be really comfortable to wear. So I got these booties, my Cruella de Vil booties. I think that's what I'm going to call them because they definitely put me in the mind of that. And then I also got some shoes from ASOS brand. These, I got some sock boots. Are these called sock boots? Yeah, sock boots. I have some army green ones already, and I really wanted like a neutral tan color because they just go with more things. So I got these. I picked these up. Actually, from the front, I like them. From the side, I'm not sure if I like these actually. I can't remember what it looked like on the site, but in person now, I'm not too sure about this heel. Like the block heel on this shoe, it works, but the block heel on this one, I don't like it. I think it just looks too chunky, too clunky, too, I don't know, it's really turning me off. I really wish this was a lot thinner, a lot smaller. And then this, I feel like it goes out too much. It should be a little straighter right here. I don't know, it just reminds me of a horse's hoof or something. Ooh. Yeah, I have to see how these look on, but just looking at them, it's looking like I'm gonna have to send these back. All right, guys, so that's it. That's all I got. That concludes my haul. I, as always, will put the links to everything that I showed down below in the info box. So if you saw something that interests you, just check right down there. Thanks for watching as always, and I will see you very soon on my next video. Bye, guys.